Hello children, let's learn how to reduce the fractions to their lowest terms. There are so many methods, but we are going to use prime factorization method only for this particular activity. In this way, we are going to learn two things at a time. We will be able to reduce the fraction also, and we will learn prime factorization method also. Remember, when I say prime factorization method, that means we are going to factorize the numbers where only prime numbers are used. No composite numbers we are going to use. Now here the task cards are given and the answers are also written here, which you need to match by solving each of the question and by matching the letter associated with that particular task card at the back side. Let's start our activity. Now first question here, we have it as 30 upon 50. Now here, as the ones place is 0 0, you can cancel it off. So answer is 3 by 5. Remember that always whenever the ones place is 0, you can cancel it. You cannot cancel the number when it is given like this. So 0 0 will go away. It's wrong. You don't have to do like this. So here the first answer you got as 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is here and the letter associate is N. So I will write here N. Let's go with the next question. 54 upon 72. Remember that our aim was to prime factorize the number. So I will go for only prime factorization method. The number is even, so it's divisible by 2. When you divide 54 by 2, you will get 27. Now the number is not divisible by 2. It's divisible by 3 because 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So for 54, you can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And now let's start with 72. Even number, so it's divisible by 2. 2 36s are, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Here see, I have written only prime numbers. You cannot write, suppose here you cannot write, if even if the number is divisible by 9, you cannot write 9 over here because 9 is a composite number. So here for 72 we got as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now cancel of the common factors. 2 is common, 3 is common, 3 is common. So here we have 3 upon 4. Now 3 upon 4 is here and the letter is U. So I will write here U. Let's go with the third question. Say we have 49 upon 84. Now 49, you know that 7 7s are 49. Now 84, for 84 we will prime factorize divisible by 2 because number is even. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, and 21 is divisible by 3, 3 7s are, 7 1s are. So here 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 7 is common, which will go. So 7 upon 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So here you have 7 upon 12 is here and the letter is I. So I will write here I. The next question is 55 upon 100. Now 55, as you know, it's divisible by 5. 5 11s are, 11 1s are. So here you can write 5 into 11, and for 100 it's divisible by 2. 2 50s are 5 10s are 50, 5 2s are 10, and 2 1s are 2. So here you have 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So 5 is common, which will go. So 11 upon 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. 11 upon 20. So it's here, and the letter is E. So I will write here E. Next, let's go with the next question. 45 upon 25. 25 is very easy. You can write as 5 5s are 25. Now 45, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So you can write there 3 into 3 into 5. What is common? 5 is common. What is left out in the numerator? 3 3s are 9 upon 5. Now this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. We need to convert it to mixed fraction. So 5 1s are 5, and 5 plus which number is 9? 4. So here 1 4 by 5 is here, and the letter is T. Now next question is 18 upon 63. So 18 is divisible by 2. 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So here you will have 2 into 3 into 3. For 63, number is not even, so it's not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 63 is also divisible by 3. So we will start with 3. 3 2s are 6, 1s are 3, 7s are 21, 7 1s are. So here you have 3 into 3 into 7. So 3 will go away. Again 3 will go away. So 2 upon 7 is left out, which is here, and the letter is L. So I will write here L. Now the next one, we have 18 upon 15. 18, you can write it as 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So 3 into 3 into 2, and 15, you can write 3 5s are 15 oral also, you can do it. So 3 3 will go away. 6 upon 5, again improper fraction, we need to convert it to mixed fraction. 5 in the denominator, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus which number is 6? 1s are. So 1 1 by 5 is here, and the letter is V. So I will write here V. Next is 16 upon 28. So here for 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So here you have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and for 28 you will have it as 2 14s are, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. So here 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 will go away. So here is 4 upon 7, which is here, and the letter is A. Now the next one is 42 upon 54. 42, it's even number, so it's divisible by 2. 2 2s are, and 3 7s are, and 7 1s are. So here 2 into 3 into 7, and here 54, again an even number, so divisible by 2. When you divide it, you will have 27. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So here you have 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these are the common factors. So here you have 7 upon 9. Then 7 upon 9 is here, and the letter is E. Now the last task card, we have 75 upon 35. So here you have for 75, the ones place is 5, so it's divisible by 5. 5 15s are, then 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are. So So here 5 into 5 into 3, and 5 sevens are 35. So 5 will go away. So here you have 5 threes are 15 upon 7. Again you can convert it to mixed fraction. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 1 by 7 and the letter is Q. So here what is the code you got? Equivalent. Okay.